8,200 plus tons of steel used, 38,000 cubic meters of concrete poured.
Tower A, podiums 1 to 4, levels 1 to 8 slabs completed. Level 9 in progress. Core and shear walls from level 8 to 9 completed.
Tower B, podiums 1 to 4, levels 1 to 7 slabs completed. Core and shear walls from level 7 to 8 in progress. Ramps from basement 2 to podium 3 completed.
Concrete up to podium 4 completed. Column and core wall work in progress from podium 4 to level 1. Basement 1 and 2 meters EP works mostly complete. MEP works progressing in podiums 1 to 3. Ceiling paint mostly complete in podiums 1 to 3. Texture paint in progress. Block work and plaster nearly complete at basements. In progress on ground and podium levels.